Namaste. I'm Manish welcoming you to this module on how to successfully teach yoga in a post-COVID world. And you may already be a yoga teacher, but how to make the shift to the online virtual space. Now, this is not a substitute for real-world teaching. It's a completely different design aesthetic that you need to think through when you teach virtually. You may not be a yoga teacher, but you want to help your friends, family in different parts of the world. So how do we do that? So we begin by doing some meditation on why am I a yoga teacher, or why do I want to share yoga? From there begins an exploration into how to do it. This is a long journey. You're going to take years and decades to fine-tune your craft. The good thing is that you will be at your peak, not at 35 like in many sports, or 30. You'll be at your peak when you're 65. There's a long way to go. I welcome you to be a part of the journey. Let's explore how we can be good and better at what we do so that we can benefit and help people across the world. Namaste.